జయలలిత అక్రమాస్తుల కేసులో కర్ణాటకలోని మంగళూరు కోర్టు 4 సంవత్సరాల జైలు శిక్ష విధించిన విషయం తెలిసిందే. దీన్ని నిరసిస్తూ తమిళనాడు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ, ఎగ్జిబిటర్స్, సినిమా హాల్స్ అన్నీ బంద్ అయ్యాయి. జయలలిత జైలుకు వెళ్లిన నేపథ్యంలో ఆమెకు మద్దతుగా తమిళ చిత్ర పరిశ్రమ మొత్తం నిరాహార దీక్ష చేస్తోంది. తాము అమ్మని ఇంకా సీఎంగానే భావిస్తున్నామని, తమకు తాముగానే అమ్మకు మద్దతుగా ఈ దీక్ష చేపడుతున్నట్టు తమిళ హీరో శరత్ కుమార్ తెలిపారు. స్వచ్ఛందంగానే సినిమా పరిశ్రమ అంతా ఈ దీక్షలో పాల్గొంటుందని, తమను ఎవరూ బలవంతం చేయలేదని ఆయన అన్నారు. జయలలిత తమిళ సినిమా పరిశ్రమకు ఎంతో చేశారని, ఆపద సమయంలో తాము అమ్మకు అండగా నిలబడుతున్నామని తమిళ చిత్ర పరిశ్రమ తెలిపింది.
எந்த ஒரு அழுத்தமும் கிடையாது. உணர்வுபூர்வமாக நாங்களே ஏற்கனவே நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இன்றைய தினம் 3 மணியிலிருந்து திருட்டி விசிறிக்காக நாங்கள் உண்ணாவிரத நிகழ்ச்சி ஒரு கருத்து அனைவரும் கலந்து பேச வேண்டும் என்று முடிவெடுக்கப்பட்டிருந்தது. ஆனால் அதை உடனே கேன்சல் பண்ணிட்டு அதை இதற்காக நாம் போராட வேண்டும் உணர்வுகளை வலியுறுத்துகின்ற ஒரு போராட்டமாக இருக்க வேண்டும் என்ற அடிப்படையில் தான் யாரும் எங்களை வற்புறுத்தலை. அந்த வற்புறுத்தலுக்காக நடத்தப்படவில்லை. உண்மையான உணர்வு கலை உலகம் முதலமைச்சர் புரட்சித் தலைவருக்கு என்றும் உறுதியாக நிற்போம் என்பதை வெளிக்காட்டுவதாக மீண்டும் அவர்கள் வந்து தடைகளை உடைத்து உச்சநீதிமன்றத்திலும் வெற்றி பெற்று வர வேண்டிய எண்ணத்தை பிரதிபலிக்க தான் இந்த உண்ணாவிரதம். If they have definitely said, okay, let it maybe give her judgment, maybe on 6 once again when it comes to the court, we only wish and pray that she gets a bail. And then also the Prison Act section 3 very clearly indicates that a prisoner could be shifted to some other jail. I only wish that Madam Jayalalitha shifted back to Tamil Nadu. But she could be shifted because the section 3 of the Prison Act very clearly indicates the prisoner need not be kept in one particular place. So Tamil Nadu is a base. This case is supposed to have been conducted in Tamil Nadu. For reasons of 2003, the DMK personality Anbalagan shifted the case to Karnataka, not having any kind of respect on the judicial system in Tamil Nadu. He didn't believe that the justice could be done in Tamil Nadu. He shifted the case to Karnataka. So in Karnataka jail, she did not be lamented in jail over there. She could be shifted by the Prison Act section 3. And also the manual of the prison manual itself in Rule 568. It very clearly indicates in volume 2 568 that any prisoner could be shifted. No, I don't want her to be shifted in any jail. I wanted a bail first. That's very important to us. Thank you.